Playing games, the Redmi 9T's display provides an enjoyable and immersive experience. User interface and software features. The Redmi 9T runs on Xiaomi's MIUI 12 user interface, which provides a clean and intuitive user experience. The interface is smooth and responsive, allowing for seamless navigation and interaction with the device. MIUI 12 brings a host of software features, including a revamped control center, gesture navigation, and a floating window mode for multitasking. The interface also offers a variety of customization options, allowing users to personalize their device to suit their preferences. One notable feature of MIUI 12 is the enhanced privacy and security settings. These features ensure that your data and privacy remain secure while using the device. Performance and battery life. The Redmi 9T is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, which provides smooth and reliable performance for day-to-day usage. The processor, combined with a 4 GB of RAM, handles multitasking effortlessly, allowing you to switch between apps and perform tasks without any noticeable lag or slowdown. Whether you're browsing social media, streaming videos, or playing casual games, the Redmi 9T delivers a responsive and smooth experience. With its massive 6,000 mAh battery, the Redmi 9T offers exceptional battery life. Even with heavy usage, including multimedia consumption and gaming, the device easily lasts a full day on a single charge. In fact, it can even stretch to 2 days with moderate usage. When it's time to recharge, the 18 watts fast charging support ensures that you can quickly top up the battery and get back to using your device. Camera performance. The Redmi 9T's quad camera setup allows you to capture high-quality photos in various scenarios. The 48MP primary camera produces detailed and vibrant images, especially in well-lit conditions. The 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos, while the 2MP macro lens lets you capture intricate details up close. The 2MP depth sensor enhances portrait shots by adding a pleasing bokeh effect to the background. The Redmi 9T also supports video recording at up to 1080p resolution, allowing you to capture smooth and detailed videos. Storage and connectivity. The Redmi 9T offers ample storage options, with variants available in 64 GB and 128 GB capacities. This provides plenty of space for storing your apps, photos, videos, and other files. If you need more storage, the device also supports microSD cards, allowing you to expand the storage further. In terms of connectivity, the Redmi 9T supports dual SIM cards, enabling you to use 2 phone numbers on a single device. It also features a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, a 3.5mm headphone jack for listening to audio, and Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connectivity. Additionally, the device supports 4 grams LTE, ensuring fast and reliable internet connectivity wherever you go. Title: Redmi 9T Review, Affordable Excellence for Everyday Life, continued. Additional features. In addition to its impressive design, performance, and camera capabilities, the Redmi 9T offers several other notable features that enhance the overall user experience. One such feature is the rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, which provides fast and accurate biometric authentication. This ensures that only authorized users can access the device, keeping your data and personal information secure. The Redmi 9T also includes an infrared ear blaster, allowing you to use the device as a universal remote control for your home appliances. In terms of audio, the Redmi 9T features a loud and clear speaker, delivering an immersive sound experience while watching videos or listening to music. The device also retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, making it convenient to plug in your favorite wired headphones without the need for adapters or wireless connectivity. Software updates and support.